Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate GitHub Pages with Google Search Console verification. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate GitHub Pages with Google Search Console, begin by ensuring you have a GitHub repository set up for your project. Next, navigate to the Google Search Console website and sign in with your Google account. Once logged in, click on the Start Now button to access the Search Console dashboard. In the dashboard, click on the Add Property button located in the top left corner. Here, select the URL prefix option to enter your GitHub Pages URL. Input your GitHub Pages URL in the provided field and click Continue. Google will present various verification methods. Choose the HTML tag option. This will generate a meta tag that you will need to copy. Now, open your GitHub repository in a new tab and navigate to the repository settings. Scroll down to the GitHub Pages section and make sure it is configured with the proper source branch. Next, go to the Code tab and locate the file where you will add the meta tag, typically in the index.html file. Click on the index.html file to open it for editing. Insert the copied HTML tag within the head section of your index.html file. After adding the tag, scroll down and click the Commit Changes button to save your modifications. Return to the Google Search Console and click the Verify button to complete the process. If successful, Google will confirm that your GitHub Pages site has been verified. In case of any issues, double-check the HTML tags placement within the head section. Once verified, you can start using Google Search Console to monitor your GitHub Pages site. Remember to periodically check Google Search Console for insights and updates on your website performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.